Hi everyone, good afternoon or good evening. So, doing like a short video on Chat GPT. I feel most people haven't really discovered the power of Chat GPT, so I'm just, doing this quick video. Essentially, it sort of allows you to literally get answers to anything. Can help you with your homework. It can help you with your project work. It can help you write application letters for jobs. Those annoying cover letters, right? It can analyze your CV to ensure it matches the job you are applying to. It can do you can talk to it about situations. It can give you really good answers, although don't rely on it 100%. And I feel like it's so incredible. It can write a book, it can write a script, it can help you with your podcast, it can help you with your research. Like, the possibilities are endless with ChatGPT. And I feel a lot of people haven't, especially in Ghana, a lot of people aren't really aware. Like, it hasn't gone mainstream yet. But like outside Ghana, in Asia, the Indias and in Europe, obviously, USA, in Canada, people are doing amazing stuff. And so I'm just doing this video to just quickly showcase it, and keep watching. Thank you. Okay, so we continue. So for example, I'm going to use it to create a cover letter for a job. So there's a job on Hey Remote. It's for a cloud security engineer role. I simply do a copy. And then I do a copy. I paste. So one thing you must know about ChatGPT is your prompt must be on point. Your prompt game. The prompt is what you want it to do. You need to be very on point. You need to be clear. You need to be unambiguous. And so, I paste the JD, the job description, and then I hit enter, and then watch the magic happen. So it's literally generating this from it's been trained on what they call the large language models, LLMs. That is like a wide, vast library of knowledge from the internet. And so yeah, it just picks from there. It's amazing. It's like magic. And then it generates a file name nicely for what you've done. It's beautiful. It's amazing. And I can literally take this, do a copy, and then edit it to match me. So that's just one use. Okay, so we are back to the next session. So as I mentioned earlier, I explained your prompt game must be very strong. And so this time I wanted to write a children's book for me. So I'm asking it to act as a New York Times bestseller and write a chapter 1 of a children's fairy tale story based on a morality theme of being kind to others. And so one thing I've also realized is you need to sort of ensure, whatever you're asking ChatGPT is learning from you. And so you try to keep things in, like, for example, I just did one for the job for this job role, right? And so anything related to this job role is good to return to the chat and then ask the questions there. It is good to separate stuff into the different areas, so it learns and gives you like a better feedback based on the info you've supplied it. So yeah, let me just hit enter and then watch the magic happen. And so yeah, it's literally creating this out of thin air. Yeah, and it's even gone ahead to give it a title. Now I can go ahead and say write chapter 2. Typing with one hand here, sorry. And then it would continue to build upon. So I could literally have it going till chapter 1000, chapter 100, literally, And that's the beauty and magic. And this is just a tiny fraction of how powerful and how amazingly incredible Chat GPT is. I really wish a lot more people would be aware of this incredible tool, and especially in Ghana, and they would use it to amazing impactful benefits.